Totoo ba yan? Tatapa ko lang? Sana. Okay. Oh wow.
Anong oras? Tagal yan. Balik nyo, sasakay na kayo. O bike din. Bike lang. Isipin mo, no? May nakakapunta dati dito.
Gusto niya videoan ko siya. Galaw ka. Pupunta sa akin.
Sige.
Kaya mo yan. Don't think about it. Hi. Teamwork. Never tayo dito. Look! Kain ng tinapay. Survival mode. Stargazing. Walang star. Hindi kita. Survival mode. Plastic ang gagamitin pangkain ng pansit. Kasi wala kaming utensils. Yay! Check out the setup. So, try ka na. Itadakimasu.
Oh, picture.
Gumana. Galing ko talaga mag-isip. Basta pagkain walang makakapigil. Sarap. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Sobrang quality. Tutali pa eh.
Para.
Ang tagal. Nakakain na ako. So. Tinatali niyo pa. No? Kain ka na. So, nagliligpit kami ng tent. This is our crib for the night. Okay. We played Sonic already. It's a stacking game. And now we're gonna play pick up sticks. For context, slanted yung aming tent. Yung may slope yung ground. Ayan, ang galing. Engineer talaga.
Paano ba po?
Gagalaw. Oy! Madaya. I think may next on our agenda. We have a busy night. Ako sa isang sheet.
Sige.
Ang hirap. Ayun. Ano yun? Ingay? Alin yung nagme-music? Tatahimik din yan. Wakas lalo. It's 8 p.m. Para matutulog na kami. We're sleepy. We woke up at 2:30 a.m. today. Oh, we need sleep. We're probably gonna wake up again later to go pee-pee. Pee-pee! But for now, good night. Good morning. We're going to watch the sunrise. Yay! We're walking. It looks like it's abandoned. Parang dati siyang events place. Huh? Isang inabandonang gusali na naman ng aming nilalakbay. Lahat ng hagdan inaakyat. Yes, we found a viewing deck. DIY. Tapos na ang aming survival camping. We're all packed. It's